In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Exness. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Exness login page. Make sure you're on the official Exness website before entering any account details. This is an important habit for protecting your account and making sure you're signing in securely. Once the page loads, you should see the login area where you can access your personal area. From here, enter your registered email address in the email field. This should be the same email address you used when you created your Exness account. Then type in your personal area password in the password field. Be careful as you enter your details, especially if you're typing on a mobile device or using autofill. If your password is case sensitive, make sure everything is entered exactly as it was created. Taking a moment to double check your login information can help you avoid unnecessary sign-in errors. After entering your email address and password, you'll be ready to continue into your account. If the information is correct, Exness will log you in and take you to your personal area where you can manage your trading accounts and access the platform features connected to your profile. There's also another login option available if you originally signed up using a social account. In that case, instead of manually entering your email and password, click Continue with Google. This option is useful if your Exness account was created through your Google sign-in because it allows you to access your account using that same method. Once you click it, follow the on-screen prompts to choose the correct Google account and complete the login process. If you're not sure which method you used when registering, think back to whether you created your account with an email and password directly or by using Google Sign-In. Using the same method you registered with will usually make the login process much smoother. And that's all it takes to log into Exness. Just head to the login page, enter your registered email address and personal area password, or choose Continue with Google if that's how you signed up. Follow the correct login method and you should be inside your account in just a few moments.